first grade friends. Today we will identify the sequence of a procedure. We will make a video, write, and draw the steps. This is important so that we can become better writers. We have been talking about procedural text, how to do something step by step. So let's look at our procedural text anchor chart. It tells us how to do something step by step. Okay, parts of a procedural text, what you need, those are your materials. What to do, those are the directions. Examples are cookbooks, how-to manuals, science experiments, maps with directions. Sometimes you buy a new game and they have directions inside. Those are procedural texts that tell you how to do something step by step. So today you're going to make a video to tell how to make a bowl of cereal using these sequence words: first, second, next, and last. What? You don't know how to make a bowl of cereal? Huh? Oh, come on. Everybody knows how to make a bowl of cereal. You don't? Okay. Well, just this one time, I will show you how to make a bowl of cereal. So just in case you don't know how to make a bowl of cereal, you can't tell anybody else how to make a bowl of cereal if you don't know how to make a bowl of cereal, right? All right, so I am going to show you how to make a bowl of cereal. First, you get your ingredients. You get your cereal, your bowl, your spoon, and your handy dandy milk. Okay, make sure you have all your ingredients before you start. Okay, that's first. Get the ingredients. Second, pour the cereal in the bowl. In the bowl, not on the floor. Okay. So now I have poured the cereal in the bowl. Can you see that? So that was second. Next, you pour the milk. So I'm going to open my milk. And pour it on the cereal. Last, you enjoy your cereal. Perfect. Now you are ready to make a video to tell how to make a bowl of cereal. Use your recorder button. Write. Don't write. Say the words first, second, next, and last to tell somebody how to make a bowl of cereal. Then, when you are finished making a bowl of cereal, you're going to need to get out your journal. And you are going to draw a picture for the steps on how to make a bowl of cereal. And you're going to write these steps in the correct box. So pour the milk. Did I do that first, second, next, or last? Enjoy your bowl of cereal. Did I do that first, second, next, or last? Pour your favorite cereal. Did I do that first, second, next, or last? And gather your ingredients. Did I do that first, second, next, or last? After you have written the correct steps in the correct box and drawn a picture for each step, you're going to take a picture and turn it in to your teacher. So let's review what we did today. First, we learned that procedural text tells us how to do something step by step. That what you need to have what you need to have what you do, the directions. Then you made a video to tell how to make a bowl of cereal after you watched my amazing video on how to make a bowl of cereal. You used the sequence words in your recording to tell how to make a bowl of cereal, and then you drew a picture for what you do first, what you do second, what you do next, and what you do last. Then you put the correct sentence in the correct box. Pour the milk. You wrote in the correct box. Enjoy your bowl of cereal. You wrote in the correct box. Pour your favorite cereal. You wrote in the correct box. And gather your ingredients. You wrote in the correct box. And then you took a picture of it and you turned it in to your teacher. And I'm just going to quietly